Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can update your price on Selar. Alright, if you don't know, Selar is a digital platform where you can sell your digital products. You can sell your courses, you can sell your ebooks, you can sell memberships, you can sell tickets, you can sell subscriptions, and many more. Alright, so in today's video I just want to show you how you can update your price on Selar. Maybe for instance you sell your product for 10,000 naira, or you sell your product for 5,000 naira, and you want to increase the price, or maybe you want to lower the price and you want to set this up, you want to change the price. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to do that. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, my name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you to make money for yourself and grow your business. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to go straight into the video. But before I do that, I need you to kindly show me some love. Okay, show me some love by liking this video, subscribing to this video, and making sure that you turn on the notification bell. All right, once you do that, it's going to trigger the algorithm to show that you are actually in support of what I am doing on this channel. All right, so quickly do that for me. Like this video, subscribe to this video, and turn on the notification bell. All right, so quickly I'm going to take you straight to my Selar. All right, I'll go to my Google Chrome and go to my Selar dashboard. All right, now before I do that, I want to show you something. Now follow me. Let's go straight to my email. Yes, let's go to my email. So I received a message from Selar, because I sell with Selar, right? I sell with Selar. Now I'm looking for that message. Now I just want to show you something. Okay, now this is 24th of March. All right, that was yesterday. This video is being made on the 25th of March, which is on a Monday. Okay, now I received this message from Selar telling me that you've got an abandoned transaction, meaning that the person wanted to pay but could not make payment due to some reasons which I don't know. So I'm going to open the mail to see what Selar sent me. Okay, this happens usually when people want to purchase your product and maybe something happened, they could not make payment eventually. So Selar will send you this notification so that you can follow up on the customer. All right, now if you want to learn how to follow up on a customer, I'm going to make a separate video for that. You can drop a comment, drop it in the comment section. All right, if I see a lot of comments around that area, around that topic, I'm going to make another video concerning how to follow up on a customer that did not pay. Okay, now see what Selar sent to me. Selar said what? They said, hello Awajimam, someone just tried to purchase your product but didn't go through all the way. They didn't complete payment. This can happen because customer was just testing, encountered an issue when paying, or it could just be cold feet, meaning that maybe they are afraid to make payment. Sometimes customers just need little extra push. So here is the detail. All right, now they gave me the detail of the customer. Can you see? This is the detail of the customer. So my job is to go ahead and follow up the customer. Now this product, the blueprint, is an ebook that I created, how to package your knowledge and sell it online. This product is not priced at $1.58. Sorry, I mean to say $1.58. I don't want to sell it for that price. All right, I sell it actually for $2. All right, I sell it for $2. Okay, now I actually fixed this price because I just wanted to do a quick offer. Are you getting now? So I want to change it back to what it is. All right, so look at this. Now I'm going to go to my Selar account and change it. Okay, now follow me now. So I'll take you now to my Google Chrome and we're going to change it together. All right, now let's go to Selar. Let's go to Selar dashboard. Are you seeing now? I'm going to my dashboard. Okay, good. I'm going to log in. I'm coming here. I'll click on login. I'm going to click on login. Now you can see this is my dashboard. Now I want to check the products. So what's the product? I'll click on all products. Click on all products, and then I'll look for the product itself, the blueprint. The name of the product is what? The blueprint. Now I'm going to come here now and check it. Look at it now. So I'll click on edit. Look at these three dots here. These three dots that you are seeing here. I'm going to click on it once, and then I'll come to edit. I'll click on edit once. Are you seeing now? I'll click on edit. Now this is the product. This is the product. Can you see now? This is the product. Okay, now I'll come here and say, let's change the price. I want it to be 4,000. okay, let's say I want it to be 4,000. okay, now it's going to calculate that for me in dollar, so I'll leave that there. I'll remove this one. Original price, let's put 5,000. No, not 50, 5,000. And then once I'm done with that, I won't touch anything again on the page. So all I'll do is to scroll down. Now let's look at the price we just changed it to. We changed the price from 2,002 to 4,000. Are you seeing now? Now I'll come down and scroll 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 down, and then I'll click on update products. So I'll click on update product. It's going to update the product. Now can you see? Now it's saying what? Success. Congratulations, your product has been updated. You can view it at, you see the link. So I'll click on the link now, so it will take us to the product page. Now as you can see, this is the product page. Now let's quickly go and check the price. Can you see now? We changed the price to 4,000. You can see the price is now 4,000. Can you see this now? That means once the person clicks buy now, all right, it's going to fill up their information here, and once they fill up their information and click pay, it will give them a form where they will need to fill up their card details. Are you getting this now? They will need to fill up their card details, and once they fill up their card details and click on pay, it will be deducted from their card. All right, now let's just fill my email. Let me just fill my number. Yes, my number here, and let me just click on pay now. Watch this now. Watch what you're going to see. It's going to bring up a form. Yes, can you see this now? It's telling us to pay with card, pay with transfer, pay with bank, pay with USSD, and all of that. So I'm going to click on pay with card, and once it clicks, it brings me here. I'm going to have to fill up my card. All right, the buyer is going to fill up their card, and once they fill up their card and click on pay, pay NGN 4,000 naira, the money will be deducted from their bank account. This is very easy and smooth and simple to do. All right, so guys, this is how to update your price on Selar. If you got value from this, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. If you want to learn more about how to use Selar for your business, how to upload your product on Selar, how to use Selar to sell and collect payment from foreign clients, from foreign people, how to set up your business on Selar, right? Go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop a link there. If you want to learn how to do this, I'm going to teach you. I can show you step by step how to do this. Okay, so go to the link in the description and check. I'll drop a link there, or you can also drop a link, a message for me in the comment section, and once I see it, I'm going to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.